Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert page with doodle and page facing up symbol in Word. So this is very easy and a simple way to insert. So firstly click on insert. Now this last option symbol, so just click on it. Now more symbols. So one screen will be open. So need to font select. Click on this drop down and select this one. Now you can type this character code. Just type this 1F4C3 this character code and click on insert. And this second one is 1F4C4, just type this and click on insert. So this first one is page with doodle and second one is page facing up. So this symbol is page facing up symbol. Now close it. So these both are easily insert. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.